Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. Take out your English literature book. And in the previous day, we were doing page number 76 of chapter 8, right? Chapter 8 we have completed. We have done the exercises also. Today we will do grammar time. Under grammar time, we will do exercise number 2. Underline the describing word in the following sentences. See, so open your book at page number 76. This thing we have done in the previous class, so today we will do this number 2 exercise. What we have to do here, we have to underline the describing word. Here we will get some sentences. Okay, so there are 5 sentences. We have to read the sentences and find out the describing word. See, children, in the previous day we have learned what are describing words. So once again I'll tell you, describing words are the word that describes the naming word. If I say, suppose naming words, like Rita, pen. Suppose this is what? Pencil, isn't it? It is a naming word. This is a red pencil. So here the word red is describing the pencil. How is the pencil? It is red. So this red here is used as a describing word. If I say Ravi suppose if I say Ravi is an intelligent boy. Here the word intelligent is describing Ravi. Isn't it? How he is? He is intelligent. It is a quality of Ravi, right? So here intelligent is a describing word. In the same way, we have read about a beautiful blanket. So here the word beautiful is describing the blanket. Blanket is a noun, so beautiful is describing word. As we have understood this, now it will be easier for us to do the exercise, right? So you take a pencil in your hand and listen to me what I am telling you, do as I am saying. Okay, so take out your book, open your book at page number 76. Okay, we will do page number 76, exercise number 2. Underline the describing words in the following sentences. What we have to do, we have to read the sentences given here, then we have to underline the describing word. Okay, how we will do now is underline the describing word in the following sentences. Okay, number 1, first sentence is the hungry puppy drink milk. Here the hungry puppy drinks milk. Here which word is describing the puppy? Which word is describing the word? Which word is describing puppy? Puppy means the young one of a dog, right? So here the hungry puppy. How is the puppy? Hungry. So you will underline hungry. You will underline the word hungry. You will underline the word hungry, because hungry is describing the puppy. How is the puppy? It is very hungry, so it is drinking milk. So here the word hungry is describing the puppy. Okay, it is telling us something about the puppy, the noun in the sentence. Next one, number B, father bakes sweet cakes. Father bakes is the noun. What he is doing, he is baking cakes. How are the cakes? Sweet. So here sweet is the describing word. So you will underline sweet like this. You will underline sweet. Sweet cakes. So here the word sweet is describing the cakes. Understood? Okay, then I will go to the next one. I hope you have taken a pencil and doing as I am saying, you are going on underlining the describing words. Then number C, I wrote a long letter to Granny. I wrote a long letter to Granny. Means I have written a long letter to my grandmother. Here you see, how is the letter? Long. So here the word long is describing the letter. Okay, the noun, that is letter. So here you will underline long. L-O-N-G, long, you will underline. Okay, clear? Then we'll come to the next sentence. It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. How is the day? Sunny. It is a bright day. So here the word sunny is describing the day. It is telling us something more about the day. How is the day? Sunny. So it is a describing word. So here what will you underline? We'll underline the word sunny, because sunny is a describing word. Sunny is describing the day. So S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. So you'll underline sunny. Done? I hope you have done it. Then come to the last sentence. Danny wiped the dirty toy. Danny, he wiped the dirty toy. How is the toy? Toy is the noun here. So here dirty. How is the toy? Dirty. So you will underline dirty here. In the last sentence, dirty is the Dirty is the describing what? It is describing what? It is describing the toy, isn't it? So Danny wiped the dirty toy. Here, which one is the describing what? Dirty. So you'll underline dirty. This way, children, we have completed this exercise. See, for you, I'm showing you once again so that it will be easier for you to do. Okay, so these are the describing word. I think by this time describing words are clear to you, isn't it? It is clear. If I give you any question like this, underline the describing word, so you can underline those. You read it, try to understand the sentence, and then you will find it easier to find out to identify the describing word in any sentence. If any sentence is given to you, you can underline the describing words, and when you'll go to the higher classes, you will learn what exactly do we call to the describing word. It is known as adjectives, but not now. When you will go to the higher classes, we will come to know about this. So for this class, you learn describing words describes the noun. Okay, do this in the book itself. Okay, and thank you and have a nice day. And next day, the next video will start with chapter 7 of your book. Okay, till then you go on studying this. Thank you and have a nice day.